Hi everyone. In this video, I will tell you that how to off sensitive content on Telegram. First, open your preferred web browser. It may be an iPhone or Android. In the search bar, search for Telegram web. From the search result, click on the first link. Now enter your country code and phone number of your Telegram account. After entering, click on next. Then you will receive a verification code. Enter it to verify it's you. After logging in at the top left corner of the screen, click on the three horizontal lines from the drop down. Select setting, scroll down a bit until you see privacy and security and click on it. Scroll all the way to bottom of the privacy and security page. Here you will find the sensitive content option and click on it off. Now you cannot watch sensitive and violent media in the Telegram application. And that's it.